Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you have accidentally deleted a Google document. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I do want to point out that Google Docs should be able to save deleted files or folders in the trash for within the past 30 days. So if you're going out beyond that time period, unfortunately, you will not be able to recover it. So just want to keep that in mind. So anyway, let's just say we deleted this document here. So let me just go ahead and actually delete it, move it to the trash. So accidentally moved it to the trash folder in here. Now if we want to recover it from the trash folder, you can select the top main menu icon, top left, just left click on that. And then you can select the drive button. Select where it says trash on the left panel here. And then you should be able to see that document listed in here. Right click on it and you can select restore. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.